you go underwater.
Yeah, he thought it was shadow like that. See, well.
And he was moaning. Did you hear him?
Yeah. Oh. Philo, you're going to be freezing now.
Oh, Theo, my
At
darling.
least you're nice and clean. Look at you.
Oh, man.
That bit's deep.
Okay, don't go against you, but you're dry.
Gavin, what does that do?
That's a 360 degree camera.
Yeah.
So if you look at it, it's got lenses on both sides.
Yeah.
And records from both sides.
Lay down.
And then
You see,
when you get home, I'll show you how you edit it. So
videos like that.
because it's recorded 360 degrees,
And then they just go.
you can then choose what your focus is when you
Oh
get
my
back.
goodness, we're on the wrong side here.
Good. That's nice.
Yeah.
So it practically records everything that you see.
Yeah, everything around it. Like imagine if it's like a light bulb.
You know the funny thing is, so remember I heard my show at the same time as yours? My show still is. Like even now, it's working trying to balance me.
I think you also broke.
Bella, come let's go. No jumping, Bella.
That's correct. They're full of mud again now.
Oh, my shoes. Come on.
Okay, this is like next level mud. I thought yesterday I was in mud.
Daddy, it was just like how you were like in the park run.
In the park.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't this bad, but yeah, I mean,
This is like when we had to cycle in. Remember what I did?
yeah, you cycled in this.
My
There
toes
must be
were
a
so
badger.
dirty after that.
Huh?
Check, I must have been a badger.
Digging it all up
this
here,
water.
looking for food.
Oh my goodness, my shoes are a wreck.
There you go. Look here. Badger. Look at this. You really plowed this whole area up. Hey, look at this.
It's like everything up, looking
Yeah.
for food, isn't it?
Bulbs and stuff. Oh, maybe like little bugs or I don't know.
As you're walking down that,
Gavin?
huh?
What do you have there?
It's called an Insta360 camera. So you can see it's got a lens on that side
Yeah, I saw.
and on the other side.
Oh, nice.
And then you don't have to point it at anything. But when you finish recording, you then download the movie from there onto your phone.
Oh, nice.
And then you can then crop the movie and choose what you'd like as your focus. So you can choose anything and pan around and sky, ground. I'll show you when we get back. It works really well.
Did you take now with Philo in the water?
Yeah, I got just the end of it.
Oh,
I didn't get the whole thing, sadly. But it stabilizes the footage as well, so you don't have to hold the whole still, yeah, and the footage it produces is completely stabilized.
wow.
So you get people that go on ski trips and they do like a double somersault.
Yeah.
And
I thought it was gymnastic movements.
yeah, you can maybe next time I come up and visit you guys, I must get I'll bring my Insta360 with and get Samuel to go on the trampoline. If you can hold,
Yeah.
I've got a smaller pole for it. It's just a meter.
Ah,
And you can do like a somersault and use this, and then afterwards you'll get like really good footage.
wow, that's lovely.